Imagine a remote island, a place suspended in time where nature seems to have preserved a fragment of prehistory. This is where the Komodo dragon, the largest lizard on Earth, reigns supreme. At first glance, it might seem like just a gigantic, lazy reptile, but beneath those leathery scales lies an extraordinary biological machine, endowed with characteristics straight out of a science fiction novel. The first thing that strikes you about the Komodo dragon is its incredible ability to perceive the outside world. If you were on its island, you might see it constantly moving its long, forked yellow tongue. It doesn't do this to scare visitors, but to taste the air. Thanks to this tongue and a special organ located on the roof of its mouth, the monitor lizard captures odorous molecules dispersed in the wind and is able to sniff out prey, or a carcass, from up to 10 kilometers away, a super sense of smell that unfailingly detects nothing. But the surprises don't end there. For a long time, it was believed that the danger of its bite was due solely to the presence of lethal bacteria in its saliva. Only recently have scientists discovered that this giant possesses actual venom glands. Its venom doesn't act like that of a cobra, but causes a rapid drop in blood pressure and prevents clotting. The prey goes into shock and has no chance. In such a cruel world, even social relationships are extreme. The Komodo dragon engages in forms of cannibalism. Adult specimens have no qualms about hunting their smaller counterparts. For this reason, young monitor lizards spend their first years climbing trees, safe from the jaws of giants, and sometimes even cover themselves in feces to make themselves unappetizing. Finally, nature has given this reptile a true reproductive superpower: Parthenogenesis. In the absence of males, females are able to fertilize their eggs themselves, giving birth to healthy offspring without the need for mating, a rare and exceptional ability that ensures the survival of the species even in the most extreme situations. A curiosity within a curiosity: all viable eggs fertilized in this way will give birth to only male offspring. Unlike us humans, where females are XX and males are XY, in Komodo dragons the sex chromosome system is reversed. Females have ZW chromosomes, they have different chromosomes. Males have ZZ chromosomes. When a female reproduces by parthenogenesis, her egg, which contains either only Z or only W, duplicates its genetic material to fertilize itself. The possible combinations are ZZ or WW. The embryo with the WW combination is non-viable and does not develop. The only combination that survives is ZZ, which generates a perfectly healthy male. The males can then mate with their mother and form a new colony. A lethal predator, a near-legendary creature, and a survivor from a distant era, the Komodo dragon continues to fascinate us, reminding us how surprising and unpredictable nature can be. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. If so, please subscribe to the channel.